What is backwashing? Well, backwashing refers to the filtering of debris from your swimming pool. And most commonly, like 99 out of 100, we're talking about a sand filter here. And how this works is you filter physical debris from the pool and it ends up inside of this giant tank. Like picture a giant garbage can and it's full of sand. That's essentially what a sand filter is. And the whole top layer gets covered in physical debris. I mean, at first it's just a little bit, but after a while you develop an appreciable, few inches thick of physical debris on top of the sand. And you'll know this because the pressure on the filter will start to increase. And so what backwashing is, it is just what it sounds like. We physically reverse the direction that the water travels through the filter. And in doing so, we don't just push that water back where it came, back to the pump. Instead, you have a waste port or a backwash port on your filter. And that is essentially just waste. It just goes out and you drain it to your lawn or something to that effect. And in doing so, we're taking that whole top layer of debris that's accumulated inside of your sand filter and we're just getting rid of it. And that is what the backwash process is. Sometimes you can do a backwash for a different kind of filter if you have a multi-port valve or a valve for doing a backwash, but as I said, 99 times out of 100, you're talking about a sand filter when you're talking about backwashing, and it's simply reversing the direction of travel of water to get rid of all the physical debris that the filter has accumulated. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.